Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. The Huawei MateBook X Pro caused quite a splash when it debuted at Mobile World Congress 3 months ago. The unconventional 13.9-inch display came courtesy of the 3x2 3000 by 2000 resolution aspect ratio. The screen can also display 100% of the sRGB spectrum. This is the same aspect ratio as the Microsoft Surface Pro, Surface Laptop, and Surface Book 2. And we like this decision since it gives a better vertical screen real estate that benefits almost every use case except video. Like the Surface devices, it also a touchscreen. The MateBook X Pro also has a higher 91% screen-to-body ratio than the Dell XPS 13. Thanks to super slim 4.4mm bezels and a unique camera trick that freed up the bottom bezel. This is the 1-megapixel pop-up camera hidden between the F6 and F7 keys that feels like a secret agent's hidden tools or a gadget that James Bond might employ. I/O connectivity is handled by two USB-C ports, one of which provides dual duties as the charging port, while the other is certified Thunderbolt 3 for higher bandwidth peripherals. There is a single USB-A, which is becoming harder to find on ultrabooks these days, and it's a pleasing addition here. The MateBook X Pro isn't an ultralight sub 1 kg notebook like the LG Gram or Acer Swift 5, but this is partly due to the premium-looking metal body that brings a reassuring heft and rigidity. Weight comes in at 1.33 kg and the thickest point measures at 14.6 mm. The slightly heftier weight and thickness are used to install a more substantial cooling system than might normally be found in this sort of non-gaming oriented device. This cooling system is a large heat dissipation pad rather than a standard heatsink design. Huawei is launching two configurations in the United States. The more battery-friendly Intel i5 8GB of RAM, 256GB NVMe SSD options for $1,200. The more powerful Intel i7 16GB of RAM, 512GB of NVMe SSD, NVIDIA MX150 for $1,500. The i5 model is relatively expensive when compared to competitors' ultrabooks like the HP Spectra, but the extra $300 nets you a decent set of upgrades. You get the fastest U-series processor, double the amount of memory, double the storage capacity, and an entry-level Pascal graphics card that is well suited to assisting with the GPU-accelerated tasks for light gaming. The Huawei MateBook X Pro is now available via Amazon, and Huawei is including a $300 voucher with any purchases made before 10 June 2018. So you better grab it fast before you miss your chance. Thank you for watching this video, hope you enjoy it, and give us a like and comment if you do, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more info and update, and I'll see you guys next time.